Uh, Before going to the second Pali parts, I have to again revision. I have to do revision. Otherwise, I cannot continue Pali class. Okay, revision. First, I am going to explain about Pali pronunciation. How to pronounce the Pali language. The Pali alphabet. Alphabet means Pali. They call it the Pali akkara. Akkara. Akkara meaning alphabet. The singular word akkaro. Akkaro singular. The alphabet. Akkara plural. Alphabets. Okay. Only for understand. The Pali alphabet akkara singular. This is stem of the Pali. Stem noun, no? Akkara. Akkaro meaning the alphabet. Akkara meaning alphabets plural. Akkara, ra long, R-A long. According to the Katyayana system, how many alphabets? 41. 41. These 41 letters we can divide into two ways. The vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. The vowels meaning Pali sara. Sara. Sara meaning vowels. Vyanjana or Vyanjana meaning consonants. Okay. According to the Katyayana system, how many vowels and how many consonants? How many vowels? There are 8. What are the 8? A, 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 I, E, U, U, A, O. Some are short, some are long. Now the Pali vowels. According to Katyayana systems, there are 8 vowels. We can divide into two ways. The long vowels and short vowels. There are 5 long vowels. A, E, U, A, O. Long vowels meaning Diga Sara. Diga Sara. Diga meaning long. Okay. Diga meaning long. Diga Sara long vowels. Okay, understand? Rasa Sara. Rasa Sara. Rasa meaning short. Rasa meaning short. Everywhere, if you see the long meaning, Diga. Then short meaning, Rasa. Okay. Rasa Sara. A, I, U. Okay, please recite the first long vowels. Short vowels. Okay, without looking. Okay, all Ras and the short and long all together, Misra? Together? A, A. First short, second long. I, E. U, U. A, O. Okay, understand? Okay. Now how about consonants? The Pali consonants, Vyanjana or Byanjana, both are same meaning. Huh? Okay. Now the consonants we can divide into how many way? 7. 7 way to the understand. The normally we can divide first 3 way, the grouped, non-group and pure nasal. Group consonants, non-group consonant and pure nasal sound. According to group meaning, Vagga. Group meaning Pali, Vagga. Vagga. Vagga meaning group. Vagga meaning group. Non-group meaning Avagga. Avagga. Okay? Avagga. Please write down. Avagga. Okay? Group meaning Vagga. Non-group meaning Avagga. Avagga. Pure nasal meaning Niggahita. Niggahita. Okay, pure nasal meaning Pali Niggahita. Nigga. N-I, N-I-G-G-A-H-I-T H-I-E long, T-A. Niggahita. Okay. Now understand. Vagga meaning group. Avagga meaning non-group. Pure nasal meaning Niggahita. Niggahita. Okay. Now according to the Vagga, there are 25 consonants. All are consonants 33. Remember? All are consonant 33. These 33 consonants we divide into 3 parts, 3 way. Vagga, Avagga and Niggahita. Vagga meaning group consonant. Avagga meaning non-group consonant. Niggahita meaning pure nasal sound. How many alphabets belongs to Vagga? How many Vagga alphabets? How many group alphabets? There are 25. There are 25. How many non-group alphabets? There are 7. There are 7. How many nasal sound? Only 1. Okay. Now 25 group alphabets we can divide into 5 way. We can divide into 5 way. Then we call according to Pali we can call Kavagga, Chavagga, Tavagga, Tavagga, Pavagga. Okay. Kavagga meaning Ka group. These 5 alphabets start from Ka. Start by Ka. That's why we give the name Kavagga. Ka group. Kavagga meaning Ka group. Chavagga meaning Cha group. Tavagga meaning ta group. Tavagga meaning ta group. Pavagga meaning pa group. Okay. Now according to Kavagga. Okay, please recite. Ka, kh, ga, gh, ng. Okay. Ka, kh, ga, gh, ng. I forget my torch. The small light. I think that in the cabin. In the cabin, please check. Sorry. Maybe 2 cabin here. Check. Sorry. Okay, understand? Ka, kh, ga, gh, ng. This is a Kavagga. Okay, recite. Ng. This sound comes from nose. Ng. Okay. Ka, kh, ga, gh, ng. Chavagga meaning cha group. Start from the ch. Cha, ch, ja, j, ny. Very good. Cha, ch, ja, j, ny. Very good. Okay, recite. Ny. Okay, again. Okay, good. Next one, tavagga. Ta. Our tongue, we have to touch upper of the mouth. Ta, ta. Good. Ta, dh, da, dh, n. All are coming from our tongue. The tongue we have to touch to upper mouth. Ta, dh, da, dh, n. Okay, okay, recite. Again. Okay, good. Next one, tavagga. Tavagga meaning our tongue we have to touch with the teeth. Teeth. Ta, th, da, dh, n. Very simple. Okay. Not simple. Simple. Yes, correct. Okay, try. Ta, th, da, dh, n. Again. Th, da, dh, n. Again. One more time. Okay. Next one, pavagga. Pa group. Pa group. Start from the p. Pa, p, ba, bh, m. All of this sound comes with the 2 lip. Pa, p, ba, bh, m. Very good. Again try. One more time. Good. Avagga, non group. Ya, r, l, v, sa, ha, l. Ya, r, l, v, sa, ha, l. Again. Okay. Pure nasals, niggahita. Niggahita, ang. Usually we have to add a. Otherwise we cannot pronounce. Ang. Ang. Buddhang. Buddhang. Saranang. Saranang. Still working? because after 1 year, no? Okay. Dhammang saranang. Dhammang saranang. Okay, now understand, no? Niggahita. Dhammang. Because two way, according to the according to our canon, they give the two. Buddham also can. Buddham saranam. This is the end of the m. End of the nasal sound. Buddhang saranang. Buddhang sarana. We can get the refuge two way, according to the end of the niggahit, end of the nasal sound, or end of the makaran, end of the m sound. Buddham saranam. Buddhang saranang. Why? According to our Asian Sri Lankan, some teachers explain, after getting old, somebody don't have the teeth. They cannot pronounce the nasal sound. But they can easily pronounce m. That's why the Lord Buddha give the two way. Explain the two way. This is a meaning. Okay, somebody cannot pronounce the nasal sound, but some very easy to pronounce m. Buddham saranam. Buddhang saranang. Okay, this is a way. Okay, please one more time, please recite all together. Ka. Good. Enough, few students, enough. Okay, next. Now we are going to explain the actually the ka group, cha group, tha group, ta group, pa group. All are things. The how this sound how arise in our mouth. Example. Kantaja. Kantaja meaning? Kantaja meaning? Gutter. Gutters meaning? This coming from throat. Okay, from throat. Ka. You open the mouth, this sound coming from here. Ka. Kh. Ga. Gh. Ng. Ha. A. Understand? Very easy. Okay, again one more time. Again. Very good. Next one. Taluja. Taluja meaning? Palatals. Coming from where? Upper mouth. This one tongue. Our tongue, we have to, like this tongue, we have to touch like this. We have to, how to say the bend and touch. Cha. The middle of the tongue touching the upper side. Cha. Not the top of the tongue. Okay? Cha. Ch. Ja. J. Nya. Ya. I. Understand? I. Always tongue become like this. Okay? Okay again. Tal. Cha. Ch. Ja. J. Nya. Ya. I. Okay? Again, one more time. Okay. Next group we call Muddhaja. Muddhaja. Muddhaja meaning coming from middle of the mouth. Our tongue going to our tongue the end of the tongue we have to touch middle of the mouth. Tha. Tha. That's why the cerebral meaning tha. Tha. Da. Dha. Na. Ra. La. Okay, always our tongue touching in the middle of the mouth, the top of the mouth. Again, try one more time. Ta. Tha. Da. Dha. Na. Ra. La. Okay. Next one, Dantaj. Dantaj means coming from teeth. Dantaj. Dentals. Dantaj. Ta. Tha. Da. Dha. Na. La. Sa. Again. Sa. Okay. Next one, Otthaja. Otthaja meaning labels mean from lips. From lips. Coming from lips. Pa. Pa. Ba. Bha. Ma. Wa. U. U. One more time. Okay. Next one, combination. Combination together miss. A. O. W. Ang. The meaning ang. Okay. A. O. W. Ang. Now two places have W, no? Yeah, that's why. Because the usually were coming from lips, but were support to the our throat. That's why they mix the together. But usually the were coming from the support from the lips, but anyway the sound coming they support the throat. That's a were. That's why the two places they mention. Okay. One more time. Want to recite? Enough. Okay. One more time. All together. All. Very good. Okay, again. Sitila, Dhanita, Nasika. Sitila meaning they say the non-aspiration, no? This meaning the not make the rough sound. Dhanita meaning we have to make rough sound. Example, ka, kah. Ka meaning normal sound. Ka. Ka. A little bit deep. Little bit we have to make roughly. Ka. Ka. Ga. G. Ng. This is the end of this 5 alphabets coming. They support the nose to make the sound. The nose is the support to the make sound. That's why we call nasika. Nasika sound. Nasika. Nasal sound. Okay? Not the pure nasal. That's why we do pure nasal and nasal sound different. Pure nasal only ang. Okay? Okay, now again recite, very easy to understand. All together recite. Ka, ka. Okay, good. Understand, no? Understand? Okay, again. Pronouncing all 41 letters all together. Vowels and consonant all together recite. Very good. Now, according to the Pali grammar, now we are going to explain little bit verbs. Not so all. Verb meaning kriya pada. Kriya pada. Verbs. We already studied before. Now I going to remind you. Already forgotten, no? Huh? Okay. Now you see example pacha. According to Pali stem pacha. Pacha means to cook. To cook. Every day we are cooking. But forget the Pali words. What is the meaning? Cook. Singular and plural. Pacha plus ati. Pachati. Cooks. Pachati meaning cooks. Naro pachati. The man cooks. Understand? Pacha plus ati become pachati, singular. Pachati meaning cooks. Example, Naro pachati. The man cooks. Remember? No. Hiya. Okay, plural. Pacha anti. Pachanti, cook. Example, Nara pachanti. The men cook. Remember? Good. Pacha, pachati, pachanti. Pachati, pachanti. Pachati, pachanti. Okay? Already mark? Now vocabulary. Vocab list. Same way, speak. What's the Pali? Bhasati, bhasanti. See. Eat. Gacchati meaning? Gacchati meaning goes. Go, gachanti, go. Okay, worship or protect, come, harati. Okay, okay, next one. Pujeti, often. Okay, recite. Pujanti. Pujeti, pujanti. Deseti, meaning preach. Deseti, desenti. To be. Hoti, honti. Give. Okay. Now, do you want to write down all verbs? Remember? No need, no? Huh? A PowerPoint. Okay. Need write down? Not yet upload. Huh? 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 Okay. 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 Need write down? Okay, write down. Try to remember, try to by heart. It is important. Okay. This one need wrong. No, I. No. Yeah, because if they want to copy, I have to give, no? Nothing. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Already write down this one? Okay. Try to by heart 1 day 5 words. 5 verbs, okay? 1 day 5 verbs and 5 nouns. Then every day try to practice. The more after wake up, write down the one small paper. 5 verbs and 5 nouns. On the way also we recite, go. Whole day try to recite. Then next day another 5 words. Then within the 1 week more than 30. 30 verbs and 30 nouns already by heart. Huh? Yeah, very easy.
No way, it's very easy, but process is very difficult.
Can.
That's the difficult.
Okay, this one also finish. Okay. Okay, now we are going to explain about noun. Now this, remember this chart? Okay, recite. Chinese? I couldn't understand Chinese. Okay, recite. Pathama means nominative. Chinese? Huh? Chuk. Dutiya meaning accusative. Okay, Tatiya, ablative of agent. Meaning Chinese? Now understand meaning, no? And Karana meaning ablative of instrument. Yes. Chatuthi meaning dative. This is receiver. How Chinese? Panchami, ablative of separation. Chatti meaning genitive. Sattami meaning locative. Alapana meaning vocative. Now understand meaning? Now according to the see, Patama meaning subject, Dutiya meaning object, Tatiya Karana meaning by, with, through, Chatuthi meaning to or for, Panchama meaning from, Chatti meaning of, Sattava meaning in, on, at, Alapana meaning oh dear, like this. Oh man. Sometimes the Western there is oh man, but where is dear friend, dear brother, the polite. We are going to address to somebody, dear. Okay. Okay, copy. Patama, Dutiya, Tatiya, Karana, Chatuthi, Panchami, Chatti, Sattami, Alapana. Very easy to by heart. Patama, Dutiya, Tatiya, Karana, Chatuthi, Panchami, Chatti, Sattami, Alapana. Patama, Dutiya, Alapana. One word. Okay. Patama, Dutiya, Tatiya, Karana, Chatuthi, Panchami, Chatti, Sattami, Alapana. Like try to put it like mantra. Chinese have so many mantra, no? Chinese, the Mahayana also have the mantra, no? Okay. Patama, Dutiya, Tatiya, Karana, Chatuthi, Panchami, Chatti, Sattami, Alapana. Like mantra, practice. Always recite. Patama, Dutiya, Tatiya, Karana, Chatuthi, Panchami, Chatti, Sattami, Alapana. Okay? Don't worry, this time I'm not going to ask any question from anybody. Because of the reason someone don't want to come study Pali class. Yeah, don't want to study. Okay? Okay, finish? Or you write down? Okay, everybody? Now, about declension of masculine akaranta nouns. Chinese? Now understand meaning? Understand meaning? Understand? Okay. Now, they have so many vocab. Okay, recite. The Pali stem sound first, meaning of the meaning, Pali meaning. Buddha, the Buddha. Nara, man. Manussa, human being. Satta, living being. Kassaka, farmer. Matula, uncle. Kumara, Mitta, Putta, Vanija, Dhamma, Vihara, Ahara, Odana, Ratha, Surya, Chand, Loka, Gama, Mag. Okay. Now, according to the nominative, singular and plural. Buddha, nominative Buddho. Remember? Buddho. Plural? Buddha. Very good. Remember, no? Still remember. Very good. Okay. Buddho, Buddha. Naro, Nara. Manuso, Manusa. Satto, Satta. Kasako, Kasaka. Matulo, Matula. Kumaro, Kumara. Mitto, Mitta. Putto, Putta. Vanijo, Vanija. Remember? Okay, good. Next one. Another few more words, nouns. Few more nouns. Sangha, meaning samana, meaning monk. Deva, lekaka, clerk. Bhupala, Chora, Dasa, Siha, Miga, Gona, Pabbata, Sagga, Pandita, Viha, Vanara, Sunaka, Varaha, Sakuna, Assa, Aja, Kaka. Now, according to nominative, singular and plural, how do we recite? Lekako, Choro, Accusative, remember? Accusative, remember? Yeah, accusative, singular and plural, dutiya. Accusative. Sanghang, sanghe. No. Okay. Okay. Akaranta nouns, nar. Now, okay, you see, Patama and Dutiya. Subject and object. Nominative means subject, accusative meaning object. Singular, naro. Plural, nara. Dutiya singular, narang. Plural, nare. Now meaning understand? Remember? No, remember? No. Already forgotten? Hiya. Okay, naro, nara, narang, nare. Again, naro, nara, narang, nare. Okay, example now. Remember? Naro meaning? Huh? Okay, try. Naro meaning, first one by one. Naro meaning? The man. Suryang meaning? Surya. Sun. Suryang meaning? Sun. The sun. Passati meaning? See. Combine the together one sentence. The man sees the sun. The man sees the sun. Right? Okay, write down. Otherwise again forget. Is Singapore have the Pali exam in the no? Have. Okay, please join to exam. Oh, without course cannot. Huh? 3 years. Oh, I have. Sri Lanka have. I can do. I can ask. No, Sri Lanka have exam. In the government Pali exam. I can ask them because the committee very close to me. I can ask them. Okay? Already late. Huh? Okay? If you need, okay? Okay. Usually the exam coming usually January, end of January. Then I can ask. I will discuss with them first. Then we can send paper, question paper here. Then can. Okay, this is can maybe. Huh? No, this is a first new enough the new Pali course first book for the first exam. Okay. Okay. I can. But all are Sinhalese, but I can translate to English. Okay, I will ask. I will check because they also interest to do because that committee, the Sangha committee, they are going to do they want to explain the Dhamma. They want to distribute Dhamma. Yeah. Okay, I will discuss with them first, later. Okay, after I go Sri Lanka. Because that committee very close to me. They request me teach the Pali and Abhidhamma for the lay people in Sri Lanka. But I told I cannot do because the better the sangha. This is kindergarten. This is a kindergarten. Yeah. Yes. Example, before go kindergarten, example, we know how to eat, how to talk, how to respect to parents. We know everything, no? This is the way. Before kindergarten, must practice. Who is the Naro? Who is the Nara? Okay. Now, the example, Naro, Nara, Narang, Nare. The Naro Suryang Pasati, meaning the man sees the sun. Okay. Next one. This Tatiya. Narena singular. Plural Narebi, Narehi. Remember? Remember, no? After seen, remember. Okay. Narena meaning? The man. Better with the man. Plural meaning? With the men. Narebi, Narehi. Singular Narena, plural Narebi, Narehi. Okay. Now example. Very simple. You see? Nara Puttehi Viharang Gachanti. Okay. One by one. Word by word. Nara meaning? The men. Plural. No? The plural. Nara meaning plural. The men. Gachanti meaning? Go. To where? Viharang. To the monastery. With whom? Puttehi. With the sons. Plural. With the sons. Sons. See? The men with the son, the monastery go. Actually, the monastery means to the monastery because of Dutiya. The men go to the monastery with the sons. Now remember, no? Okay, somebody can build a small sentence like this. Because I already give again, remind you the nouns and verbs. Only change. Okay? Samana Savakehi Viharam Gachanti. Samana. The monks. Gachanti. Go. Viharang. To the monastery. Savakehi. With the disciple. With his disciple also can. With his disciple also can record English. Okay? Okay? Everybody try to build a small sentence like this. I already give the nouns and verbs. Need paper? Want to go back or need paper? Need paper? Sister, have the extra papers? Please take from the office. Both can. Yeah. Okay. Try to build a small sentence like this. I already give the nouns and verbs. Only change. Example now. Another one. Manusa Puttehi Pabbatang Gachanti. Manusa, the human beings. Putte, Gachanti, go. Pabbatang, to the mountain. With the sun. Very good. Like this. Try. Small one, small one. First, try to think with English, small sentence. I already give the some nouns and verb. Because we already practiced the 1 year ago. More than 1 month or nearly 1 month. We already practiced, no? Difficult? Okay, like this thing. First time, any of the, everyone write down the one of the nouns according to the nominative plural. Okay, write down one of the noun. One of the noun. Example is better the living being, one of the living being. The Buddha or Sangha or maybe the Manusa, like this. Okay, write down. This means according to Buddha meaning. Okay, write down Buddha. Or use Sangha no need. Manusa or Nara or Samana. Like this, one of the noun, please write down. This is we call subject. Please write down subject. After that, write down verb. Verb. Okay, one of the verb. Plural verb. Huh? Example now. See meaning passati. Plural passanti. Gacchatiyo, gacchantiyo, agachanti. One of the Pali verb. Aganchi meaning coming. Agachanti meaning come. Already? And now, what's the meaning? Okay, please recite your sentence. Buddha passanti. Okay. Okay, somebody here, Buddha passanti. Another extra? Acharya bunjanti. Acharya bunjanti. Okay, next another. Acharya meaning plural. Bunjanti is plural. Correct. Acharya bunjanti. Okay, another one. Manusa vandanti. Manusa vandanti. Some more. Mitta. Okay. Agachanti. Okay. Mitta agachanti. Okay. This is small sentence. What's the meaning? Buddha passanti meaning the Buddhas see. Agachanti meaning come. And Acharya bunjanti. Teachers eat. Bunjanti meaning eat. Okay, the teachers eat. This is a small sentence. Now we have to add object between the subject and verb. Okay, between subject and the verb. Example. Okay. Acharya Bunjanti. The teachers eat. Now between the noun, the subject and verb, we have to put object. Acharya odanang aharang bunjanti. Understand? Acharya aharang. Ahara meaning food. Which kind of vibhakti? Cases according to the case. Dutiya. Dutiya singular. Object meaning dutiya. Okay. Now Acharya aharang bunjanti. The teacher eat the food. Food meaning ahar. Okay. Understand? Now this is a patama, this is a dutiya, this is a verb. Yeah, object. Subject. Okay. Now we can add this place from Tatiya. With whom? Now the teacher eating rice, eating food. With whom? Now if you want to add some few more words, few more meaning. With whom? At that time we can say mittehi. Okay, mittehi. Mittehi meaning with the friend, with his friend. Now the teachers eat the rice with his friends. Or they are friends. Sorry, they are friends. Acharya mittehi aharang bunjanti. The meaning, the teachers eat the rice with their friends. With the friends. With their friend. Okay? That's why slowly by slowly try to build small sentence. Now you know the nouns, you know some verbs. Okay? Then singular, plural, you have to write. The build small sentence. This is homework. When you are free, try to do by yourself. When I was study at sometime 5-6 hours, I sit on the chair right down. Every day. 5-6 hours, we don't know the time. Sometime until midnight. Because we focusing only to study. We focused. This way, try to practice. If you want to develop your Pali knowledge, you must do. This way, otherwise, cannot develop the Pali, cannot understand the Pali. This is one of the language. This language we cannot listen every time. That's the example now. Very easy to practice other language, Chinese or English or any kind of thing, because we can listen. We can talk with others also. But this language, difficult to talk with this time, because many people doesn't know this language. Don't know. That's why, yeah. Okay, try to practice this way. Okay, next. Karana. See. Ratena, ratebi, ratehi. With the vehicle, through the vehicle, by the vehicle meaning, no? Karana. Ablative of instrument Okay. Now, naro ratena viharang gacchati. Okay. Naro meaning the man. Naro meaning the man. Gacchati goes. Gacchati meaning goes. Viharang monastery. The monastery viharang. Ratena by the vehicle. By the vehicle. Now try to join. The man by the vehicle, the monastery goes. A proper sentence. The man goes to the monastery by the vehicle. Oh, very easy. Okay. Okay. See. The man goes to the monastery by the vehicle. This is a kindergarten, no? Huh? Already full. No any space. No?
The karana, plural or singular, is it follow the patana?
You meaning?
The karana, ratena, right?
Yes.
Does it follow the object? Place?
Yeah, can say like this. Example now, the sometimes the nara ratena, because rata means very big, no? Many people can go, no? One person also can go, many people also can go. According to the meaning, we can add. Example, that nara ratehi also can. Naro ratena also can, because one person also can drive, no? Many people can go. This way, Sri Lanka, the once upon ago, the one of the king was living. At that moment, the one of the servant, he went to the palace. King actually at that moment the king's eating. He was eating the meal time. King asked him, "Okay, you can eat. I can give some parts for you." "Oh, king, no need. I already full. No need anything for me." Then later king asked, "Oh, they have curd. You like? Oh, curd can eat, because they have space." Because curd means like liquid, no? They have space. I cannot eat the heavy food. I can eat the curd. Curd means like me. Yeah. This meaning that actually he want to eat. He say already full. Actually, he full, but after he seen the curd, he very much like the curd. That's why he said, "Oh, curd I can eat." Then king asked, "You say no, already full. How eat the curd?" "King, they have the space inside. That's why I asked to eat the curd." This way, try to remove little bit from your head, from the brain. Then try to put, take the space. Yeah, take the space. Okay, now understand this one. Naro ratena viharang gacchati. The man goes to the monastery by the vehicle. Okay, next one. Chatutti. Naraya narassa. Narana, singular, plural. Now the example. Okay, try to write the meaning by yourself. Naro kassa aharang dadati. Very beautiful sentence. Very beautiful. Very easy. Very beautiful. Word by word, please follow. Word by word. Then can understand. Already? Naro meaning the man. Kassa meaning to the farmer or for the farmer, because singular of the Chatuthi, dative. Okay? Kassa to the farmer or for the farmer. Ahara meaning food. Dadati, offer, give, offer or give. Dadati. Now, whole sentence. The man give the food for the farmer, to the farmer. Oh, very easy, no? Okay, already write down the meaning? Check. The man gives the food to the farmer. What time is to? It's okay, no? Okay, next one. Panchami, ablative. This means from. The singular three verb. Nara, naramha, narasma. From the man. Narebhi, narehi. From the men. Okay? Naro kassa, kassa kamha, no? Kassa kamha, ka missing, k missing, maybe this marker, kassa kamha, aharang ganhati. Naro kassa kamha, aharang ganhati. Naro meaning the man. Ganhati meaning ganhati, take. Take. Ganhati means take. Aharang, food. Food. From whom? Kassa kamha, from the farmer. The man takes the food from the farmer. Understand? From the farmer. Kassa kamha meaning from the farmer. The man takes the food from the farmer. Ganhati meaning take. Dadati meaning give, offer. Okay, next one. Wait, okay. Understand? Everybody okay? Understand? Next one. Chatti. Narasa narana. Of the man, of the men. Narasa narana. Kumarasa matula odanang bunjanti. Very nice. Then bunjanti meaning eat. Odanang meaning cook rice. Matula meaning uncle, plural, no? Matula meaning uncles. Do you have any matula? No any more matula. Passed away. All matula. Oh, matula meaning uncles. Kumarasa meaning matula belongs to the Kumara. This meaning of the boys. This meaning boys, uncles also can. The uncles of the boy also can. Uncles of the uncles of the boys eat the cooked rice. The rice also can. The uncles of the boy eat the rice. Okay? Need to practice, huh? Otherwise cannot. Practice, practice, practice. Like meditation. Don't break. No, no, no. I can get only 1 month visa. I cannot stay. Cannot. Huh? Okay, after 3 months again I will do. Okay? After 3 months. Huh? No, after 3 months I will teach again. Okay. Okay, understand? Alap. Alapana. Miss. Yes, okay, no problem. Okay. Now, according to the Sattami, Sattami locative. Sattami ekavachana, 3 words. Nare, naramhi, narasmi. Don't have smile. Smile don't have. Yeah, disappear. Oh. Okay. The Sattami ekavachana 3 nouns are. Sorry. Nare, naramhi, narasmi. Meaning in, on, at man. Usually in the man, no, on the man, at the man, but okay. The Sattami plural naresu. Naresu meaning in, on, at men. Okay. Now I am going to build a small sentences. Okay. Nara pabbatesu vasanti. Nara pabbatesu vasanti. Nara meaning the men, plural. Vasanti meaning leaf. Vasanti. Where? In the mountain or on the mountain? In the mountain. Okay, in the mountain. The men live in the mountain. Okay, Pabbatesu meaning mountain, the plural. Another one. Nara gehe vasanti. Huh? Gehe meaning how? Gehe house. Gehe meaning house. Nara means the men live in the house. Gehe singular, in the house, one house. No gehe sunimi. No, gehe. Okay. Sorry. No, singular here. Say, because three words under the singular, plural here. Sattami, according to Sattami, locative. Locative. Yeah, not like Dutiya. Okay. Understand? That's why I give another example, gehe, to understand. Same way, these three sentences all are same meaning. Nara gehe vasanti, nara gehamhi vasanti, nara gehasmin vasanti. Same meaning. Okay, gehasmin vasanti. Okay, same meaning. The men live in the house. Okay, this is a in, according to in meaning. Another example, naro, manche, pothakang, tapeti. Tapeti meaning keep. Naro meaning the man. The man keep. Pothakang meaning the book or a book. 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 Manche meaning bed, bed. Bed, bed. Bed. This means on the bed. The man keep the book on the bed. On his bed also can. Understand? This means on. According to Sattami. Sattami three meaning, no? In or, on or, at. Understand? Understand? No? Naro, manche, pottakan, tapeti. According to English, in the bed we cannot say, no? On the bed. That's why meaning. But Pali not different. English different. Pali not different. Pali same. Manche. But according to English sentences, sometimes in coming, sometimes on coming, sometimes at coming. I want to explain what's the different place. Now, manche, tapeti, because of tapeti. Tapeti meaning keep. On coming. Okay? On the bed. Naro manche pottakan tapeti. The man keep the book on the bed, or keep a book also can, one book, because we can count. Book meaning we can count. The pottakan accusative singular. Because of the reason we can say a. A book also can meaning a book. A book again, one book. Okay. Accusative singular. Pottaka mean accusative singular. Singular meaning one word. No many. Only one book. Huh? Sorry? Keep in tapeti. Tapeti. Verb. Keep. Sorry, keeps. The man keeps a book on the bed. Okay. Yes, naresu plural. Naresu plural. In, on, at, men. Naresu. Pabbata. Pottaka. Putta. Where's putta? Son. You meaning? Yeah, puttesu can. Puttesu can. Yeah. Correct. Yes, puttesu. Yes. Yeah. Correct. Okay. Next one. Alapana. Vocative. Dear. Singular nara. Plural nara. Dear man, dear men. O man, O men. Okay. According to the Pali, we can use dear. We can use the boho. Singular boho, plural sometimes bhavanto. Boho vanija. Dear merchant. Dear meaning boho. This one without boho also vanija meaning dear merchant. But we have to put boho to clear understand. To clear. Because boho vanija meaning dear merchant. Aharang bunjatu. Bunjatu meaning be polite. Please eat the food. See? Dear merchant, please eat the food. Bunjatu. Before we use bunjati. Remember? Bunjati, bunjanti. At that time we not use the please. We use not polite. But this way, bunjatu. We are polite. Please take a seat. Please eat the food. Please go away. This we have to use tu. End of the bunjatu meaning please. Okay. This is one kind of Pali verb system. We call panchami meaning. But this is no need to think. This is a different Pali grammar. Bunjatu meaning. Now the bho vanija aharang bunjatu. Bho acharya aharang bunjatu. Okay. Bho acharya meaning dear teacher, please eat the food. Understand? Okay. Okay, now all together. See. Patama dutiya singular o a ang e ena e bi e aya assa anang a amha asma e bi e assa anang e ammi asmin esu a. Remember? This is formula. Now you have to put the one noun. Example, manussa. Okay, add manusso, manussa, manusang, manusse, manusena, manussebi, manusse, manusaya, manussasa, manusana, manussa, manusamma, manussasma, manussebi, manussehi, manussasa, manusana, manusse, manussami, manussasmi, manussesu, manussa, manussa, manussa. Okay? Try. Practice. Slowly by slowly. All are nouns. Now we already give the some vocab, noun vocab list. All are nouns. We can add to this is this formula with this formula. Then you can make the proper nouns. Step sound you can add to the end of o, end of r, end of end of a. Okay, understand? I already taught already. Please try to check your previous lesson. Okay, yeah, in the internet you can see, you can check in the internet have you can check. Then you can note, and you can copy, and you can write down, you can see, you can check. I already explained before, already explained. Okay, now you see naro, nara. Now can recite, no? Okay, next one, narang, nare. Next one, next one, next one, next one, next one, next one. Now understand? Okay, one more. One more. Okay, one more. One more. Okay, finish. Now, can remind all the cannot? Huh? Yeah, because now I'm going to next time I'm going to next new lesson. I'm not going to again the revision. Huh? I cannot do. Now the next lesson is the ikaranta. Different step sound, different nouns, different way. Huh? Yeah, but this one slowly by slowly we are going. Can do. Huh? Try to, and if you want to practice again exercise, now you have the previous exercise you already have done. This one again you do. Again by again. One sentence not enough one time. Few more time. Our teachers told, when I was study, teacher told me, if you want to by heart the one Pali poem, you must try to recite 1,000 times. 1,000. This means recite continuously. At that time, can easy to get by heart. But you say, I no need to one more 1,000 time, enough few time. But if somebody cannot, very difficult to by heart. At that time we have to recite one more 1,000 time, more than 1,000 time. Then very easy to get, very easy to by heart. Try, yeah. This one also like this. Okay, sadhu. Okay. Okay, next time try to recite all together Naro Nara, without book, without, okay, without seeing the book. Okay, try, all together. Naro Nara Narang Nare Narena Narebi Narehi Naraya Narasa Narana Nara Narama Narasma Narebi Narehi Narasa Narana Nare Narami Narasmi Naresu Bho Nara Nara Nara. Okay, try, okay. Next lesson coming Tuesday, 7:30. Don't forget your class. Okay. Okay, may you be, yes. Yes. Yeah, of course. If you are not interested to study Pali, I have no need to come, no need to teach. Oh. Okay, yeah. Okay. May you be well and happy. May you be free from all suffering. May you be attain Nibbana soon. Okay. Of course. Yes, of course. Slowly by slowly, not hurry. Yes. Okay. I understand. According to all age. Sukhi hotu Nibbana pacha. Sukhi hotu. This one also you can keep. Yeah.